Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Toy Blast game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Toy Blast game on your device. And if you're opening the game for the first time, you will be asked to choose your age. Just choose your age range and then tap on continue. And now you will be asked to complete the basic tutorial levels. Once you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to the main menu, from which tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and now you will see the Save Your Progress option. You can tap on the Sign In with Facebook option, and this will take you into the Facebook login menu. From the Facebook application, just proceed forward with the Continue As button to allow access to your Facebook account. Once the access has been granted, your Toy Blast game will be linked with your Facebook account, and now all of this progress that you make within the game will be saved with your Facebook account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Toy Blast game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.